Welcome everyone to a quick and easy guide on how to stay updated with everything happening in your LinkedIn world. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to see all your notifications on LinkedIn using your PC. LinkedIn has made it super easy to keep track of your network, job opportunities, messages, and everything in between, all in one place. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the page is fully loaded, make sure you are logged into your account. If not, quickly enter your username and password to access your LinkedIn homepage. Now that you're logged in, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several icons there, such as My Network, Jobs, Messaging, and a Notifications icon. The Notifications icon looks like a bell, and it's where all the magic happens. This is where LinkedIn keeps you in the loop about your activity, your network, and any relevant new. Click on the Notifications icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you a list of recent activities and updates. Here, you'll find notifications about who has liked your posts, commented on your articles, mentioned you in their updates, or sent you a connection request. You'll also see notifications about job opportunities, skills you might be interested in, and other relevant information based on your profile and preferences. To see every notification, look for the All option at the top of the notification panel. By selecting All, you ensure that you're not missing anything important. This view will display all your notifications in chronological order, so you can easily scroll through and catch up on everything you might have missed. And that's it. You're now up to speed on how to find and view all your notifications on LinkedIn using your PC. This simple trick will help you stay engaged with your network, respond to important messages, and keep an eye on relevant opportunities. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking, and staying informed is key to making the most of it. So, make it a habit to check your notifications regularly and engage with your connections. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on how to navigate the world of LinkedIn. Happy networking!